So here's an 18650 battery. 18 is the diameter and 650 is the length. That is 65 millimeters in length. So that is fine. But look what happens. You cannot close it. It sticks out around a centimeter and a half, 1.7 millimeters. So what to do? Same thing with this one. Here is in contact, there it's pushed in. It's not closing. Same thing here. So if your 18650 cell has a button like this one, then it will not fit in. I removed the spring from this one, and without the spring and without the screws it will fit in. Let me show you that. So it does fit, but of course without the screw it's not making contact. So this should be inside. If you have to put the screws in, then it will not work. This central part here, that has to enter into this cut. So it goes on only in one way. Like so. Okay, and now let's check for continuity. So now it's not conducting, now it's conducting. Okay, and between this and the center part there is no conductivity. Nothing. Now let's try to solve that one with a little bit of chocolate aluminum. And now there is conductivity. And this can be glued onto it. What? Remove the two screws. Remove the metal. Pull out that spring. What's up with this? Okay, now it's working and there is conductivity. So with the positive side inside, let's see which one is which. Now it's okay. Conductivity, it's okay, and voila, just some aluminum from chocolate. Nice, it's working. Okay, so glue the plastic onto the metal. Make sure the glue is not here where the cut is, but on another side. I'm adding glue only onto one side for easier removal, just in case.